included as part of your Voyager subscription, you will receive tracings for the charts held in your inventory. However, when a new chart is added to a folio, you will have the correction text according to the NTM, but the tracings will not be included. If you have internet access, simply open a tracing and select a chart where the tracings are missing. A pop-up box will ask you if you would like to download the update. Click Yes, and the tracing will be downloaded. If you are unable to connect to the internet, identify the week in which you need the missing tracings. You can check when the latest chart correction was applied, which will show you how many weeks you need to go back for the latest corrections. For tracings of a chart that was recently added, click Configuration, open Update Settings, and select the week previous to the chart being added. Click on the home screen and Send Sync Update. Once the synchronization file is received, the missing files will be sent directly to you, and these can be imported through the normal update procedure.